This incredibly delicious and appetizing spicy potato and chicken wings dish is a must-try. Although the recipe is simple, but the taste is absolutely amazing. Soy sauce and meat flavors fill your mouth. They all have a rich dry pot aroma. All ingredients and seasonings are included, and all details and processes are explained clearly and transparently. Hello friends, today we're making chicken wings in cardboard boxes. They're not spicy and very delicious. First, soak the chicken wings in clean water for half an hour. The main thing about the chicken wings is their shape. It looks better if you have a particularly sensitive sense of taste or want it to be more flavorful. You can cut the chicken wings in half or slice them open. Cutting them open makes it easier to remove the meat, blood, and better. The flavor. The old hen was left to soak on the side while we cut it up. The vegetable I used as a side dish today is potato. You can, with flexible replacement of parsley, etc. You can add onions, cucumbers, cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Add whatever you like. Which one? It's very flexible if you're using potatoes like me. Old Ma cut the potatoes into strips, then slices, and then cut into pieces. Thick, long beans, about the thickness of a finger, are easier to cook. Remember to rinse it after cutting, as there is starch on the surface. If you don't wash it, it will cause problems when frying later. It looks like it's been deep fried. It needs to be washed first, then wrap the contents with 4 cloves of garlic. Cut it into slices about the size of a finger. Cut long scallions or small scallions into scallion pieces. Slice a thick piece of ginger, 3 slices of ginger and 3 dried chilies. Cut it. Cut them into small pieces. You can add or remove any of these 4 ingredients as needed, or choose whichever you prefer. You can make this dish without adding anything. It's a strongly flavored dish, so the effect of scallions, ginger, and garlic in removing the fishy smell is actually secondary, mainly for adding flavor. After the bouillon powder has been blown away, the chicken wings are basically done. We cleaned it and drained the water before marinating. Now, mimicking the use of 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce in seasonings, you can enhance the flavor and saltiness and also increase. For a savory flavor and a deeper color, use 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It enhances the flavor and saltiness. If you don't like oyster sauce, you can substitute it with MSG and salt. First, coat the pork belly with flour to remove any unpleasant odor and enhance the flavor. Also, prepare some scallions and ginger to further remove any remaining odor. The scallions and ginger are not measured because it's pickled, so a little more or less doesn't matter. Or before pickling, make sure to knead and crush the scallions and ginger. Squeeze out the juice and let it sit so that its effects can be maximized. After crushing the scallions and ginger, we begin the marinating process. There are no specific requirements for the marinating method, whether it's pinching or stirring. You can continue this step for 3 to 4 minutes, mixing the seasoning into the chicken wings. Chicken wings have a base flavor, so even if we marinate them well, we can still add 3 tablespoons of starch to make this homemade starch. No requirements for cornstarch or potato starch. Sweet potato starch can be used, so don't worry too much about which starch to use. Use whatever you have on hand to mix the cornstarch and chicken wings evenly. Mix well, then we'll add another one. The cooking oil is used to seal in the chicken and meat juices. Mix it in as well. After mixing, give it to it. Set aside to marinate for 10 minutes. The chicken wings are now marinated. After they turn the heat to high and heat the pan. Now you need to add a portion of cooking oil. You can use a little more oil. Chicken wings are best fried in more oil for easier handling. Add more oil to the pan. Spread the oil evenly across the bottom of the pan and keep the heat at high. Heat the oil in the pan until it just starts to smoke slightly. That's it. Turn off the heat and wait for the oil in the pan to cool slightly. Warm a little because of the chicken. If the wings contain moisture and the oil temperature is high, putting them in immediately will cause them to easy to cut off fuel. Therefore, we need to turn off the heat and let the temperature drop. Some good temperatures dropped, so we restarted. Open small and medium. Adjust the flame setting to low or high based on the power of your gas stove. If the flame is low, adjust it to a low setting. A higher power output means you can control the heat. Turn it down a little, then we put in the chicken wings and flip them over. We can put them on the front first. The outermost part of the chicken wing has thicker meat. When frying, add the meat one at a time to prevent it from becoming too tough. Place the chicken wings in the pot. Now we'll begin the frying step. Insist on not using. Once the side of the chicken wings that was in contact with the bottom of the pan is golden brown, you can flip them. Fry the other side until golden brown as well. I pan-fried the chicken wings for about 10 minutes. The meat was very tender, so it was better mature. After frying both sides until golden brown, we give it. Take the pot out and bring it back. No extra oil is needed. Add the potatoes and fry them briefly. Pan fry over low heat until golden brown. No need to monitor the time. Just coat the surface of the ingredients with the batter and then fry the potatoes until they're done. Remove the pot and put it back in, keeping the bottom on a low flame. This is half a can of hot pot base, added mainly to Chen's hot pot. Ingredients are all boiled, so they contain a lot of aromatic ingredients. If you don't like fire, you can substitute the base sauce with spicy sauce or dry sauce. Adjust the sauce to your own taste. Just simmer the hot pot base over low heat until it melts, then adding a spoonful of fresh fermented soybean paste will make the color more reddish and more vibrant. Adding a touch of color and savory sauce flavor to the skin and the fermented bean paste fritters. Stir fry over low heat for 5 minutes to remove the raw soy sauce flavor, then stir fry until done. Add the chopped mushrooms and continue cooking over low heat. The time for stir frying the mushroom filling was reduced to half a minute. After that, we add the fried chicken wings and pan fried. Stir fry the fries briefly, coat them with the sauce, and stir fry them evenly with the chicken wings and fries. Mix well, then add a spoonful of soy sauce, 1 spoonful of white sugar, and 1 spoonful of light soy sauce. This challenge is enough because even if we marinate it, the base flavor of hot pot broth and fermented bean paste also comes in original flavor. Therefore, the saltiness of the seasonings added at this point is sufficient. Make sure to reduce the amount of liquid before adding chili powder and cumin powder. How much can one eat? Add as much as you like, a spoonful of Sichuan peppercorn oil to enhance the aroma and flavor. Now give. They stir-fried the seasonings and chicken wings until they were evenly mixed. Again, adding a sprig of chopped green onion or cilantro for garnish and flavor enhances the dish. Spicy chicken wings are made. It's very dry, fragrant, and has a great meaty aroma. The rich, creamy potatoes and flavorful chicken wings are perfect for eating with rice. It smells so good it makes you dizzy because it's so fragrant. It's so delicious that you absolutely have to try this dish.